Oh, look at all that toad.
What's this noise you're making?
You have to make a video of that. It's so funny.
Tempe, what's that noise you're making? You like that noise, huh? Yeah? Hey, playing with your water toys. Your new water toys. Yep, that noise you hear, folks, is Tempe. And it's not a fart either.
Mom.
It's the cutest noise.